So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use maximum power saving mode on Samsung phone. So first of all, open the settings app on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on battery. Now scroll down and here turn on this toggle next to power saving. Now tap on it. Now here you will see two options, standard and maximum. Select maximum. Now to customize it, tap on the settings app. Now the maximum power saving mode will limit all background activities and notifications, except for the apps you choose. So by default, all the essential apps like clock, messages, phone, Samsung Wallet settings will work. But you can choose other apps as well, like Amazon, Apple Music, etc. So let's say I want to enable YouTube. So I will turn on the toggle next to it, and that's it. Now let's go back to the home screen. Now, if I open the app drawer, then as you can see here, all the other apps are grayed out. Only YouTube and the essential apps works. So this I can use maximum power saving mode on Samsung phone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe channel.